Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Right here you have Jeremiah jumping into the pool at Circus Circus. This is late March 2021, early April, late March that is. It was a nice upper 70s, I believe, on this day when we were there. It was great. To get to the pool, you can go through the casino. It's on the second floor. Go past the Adventure Dome. It's in the Sky Tower hotel side. There's a little walkway, or you could walk across the street from the parking structure and there is a entrance directly into the pool. But since we were staying at Circus Circus on this little trip, we are going to be coming in from the hotel side in just a second. Coming in from the hotel doesn't really speed up the process of getting into the pool area if there's a long line like we thought. You can see right here it says pool that away. When we were here, the escalators that got you across the bridge weren't working. But we made it to these ones that were working, thank God. These little escalators just take you down to the pool floor, or the floor that has the pool on it. When you get down to this, you're going to find a really big long line like we did. Or you probably will if you go on a hot, sunny summer day. But we must say that everybody was doing or having respect for the mask process, or the mask respect for everybody else. So if there was a place where a mask was needed, there was not many people. I can't even remember somebody walking in without a mask on or whatnot. Coming down the escalator, we were surprised to see this super long line, but given what it was and now all past it, it really did not take that long. When you're waiting in line, there is a little measurement tool on the wall that lets you know what rides you can ride while you're out there. There is also a splash zone area where there's valves and stuff where you could get wet if you don't want to go on the slides. You can see here's that measurement tool. You can stand next to it and it will tell you what rides you can take part in. Gigi wouldn't get out of the way for me. Now when you get the okay to enter the pool area, when you go through the doors, if you go directly left, that is where all the slides are going to be at. But our kids went to the pool first. We let them go in a little bit before us, make our little journey over there. Thank God to the process of editing, we could speed this up just a tad bit. I was super surprised to how many kids there was, people in general there was. When we get over into this area, the mask mandate does get a little iffy or gray, so you can see there is people respecting each other and wearing them. We wore ours most of the time, if not all the time when I said it was necessary. Catching up with the kids right here. Is the water warm?
Yeah, the red one and the orange one.
Oh, you went on them already?
No, we're gonna. I don't have like.
Alright, well when you guys are ready to go, let me know.
Yeah, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go.
Jeremiah took it upon himself to get this great footage of him jumping in. It is pretty awesome. These new waterproof cameras rock. I think we're shooting with the GoPro 7. Look at, he jumps in with it. Either way, it's waterproof. Get these cool shots. Memories last a lifetime. Hopefully you and your family get to do this as well. If you do take advantage of this pool and water slide area because of this video, make sure you comment below and let us know where you came from. We came from Northern California to make this trip, and we've done it every other year so far. Jeremiah wanted to go ride the big boy rides, which is the water slides. They look a little intimidating. Our kids are 12 years old. Hi, Jeremiah. Our kids are 12 years old. They're just getting into liking roller coasters. But for this, after Jeremiah got on it, he was a little bit sketched at first, and you'll see when we get a little bit closer to it, he panics a little bit. But we get through it, he gets on it, and it's, like I told him, it's a blast. Once you do it, you're gonna be stuck. You're gonna be addicted to the thrill and the feel that you get going down these slides. It's really fun. I personally didn't go on it because I wear contacts and I didn't bring any glasses with me, so I didn't get to enjoy this, so I can't tell you exactly all about it. Or whatever one you want. Nobody gets hurt on these things, so when you get up there, don't be afraid, because yeah, look, if they did, they wouldn't allow it to be open. So looks like you got when you get up there, don't be scared. You can see he's getting a little bit nervous. I bet all kids will about here. Here's a little bit of the rules and the height requirement to ride it. So make sure you partake in all this and read it before you go up. Looking at the line, I thought this was going to take him a lot longer. You can see the 5 flights, and I think it's 5 flights, but the top 2 were full of people, so I thought the line was going to go a long time. So I started to walk back to catch some video of him actually making it down the slide and to check on Gigi. Gigi was over behind me in the water play area. The little play area has valves, buckets and stuff where they could have a lot of fun. Gigi loves this type of stuff. She's more of a kid at heart. So this is her type of thing. She was in here all day. This water was really cold. I don't know how she does it. We go swimming in like ice cold rivers and lakes and stuff. She does that too. But you can see all these little valves. There's a little note on the side that tells you what kids can learn by taking or partaking in all this. But it is pretty cool. And like I said, this was a good, warm, not a very hot day, but it was nice and sunny. We had a blast, and we really hope that you and your family get to make this trip too. You can see Jeremiah's coming down the slide right here. I don't know if this was his first water slide. Hopefully it was. We got it on camera, but it was a blast. He loved it. He got a little bit of water in his mouth coming down, so make sure you keep your mouth shut coming down the water slides.
Oh my god, my heart dropped and I went down. That was awesome.
You can see we had a blast. Don't forget to drop off your towel in the return before you go. Hopefully this video helps you make a choice on your vacation fun. If it does, comment below. I'll see you on the next hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies.